Hello, I am with you again today from MCI Online Academy. I want to continue from where I stopped in showing you shapes that are formed with lines, and that whenever you see a question on shapes that are formed with lines in mathematics, don't be afraid. There is nothing there. There is what? There is nothing there. It's a very simple thing. Now, look at this question I want to show to you now on the screen. It's a past question, but as I explain it to you, because it's formed with lines. And if you have listened to part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5 of this program, and you want to listen to this video, I don't think you have anything to fear. Now, but if you have not listened to part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, please do so before you continue with this one. Now, look at the question on the screen, okay? I want you to look at the screen. Look at this diagram, the way it looks. Some students are not so familiar with it and they don't know it is a polygon. Now, I want you to see this line. Look at this line. Look at this line. It touches this line here. Then this line touches another line here. Then it touches another line here. Then it touches another line here. And it touches another line here. How many lines? Let's count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a six-sided polygon. A six-sided polygon. This is a cheap question if you know the key. The key is very simple. Now let me show you the key. Now, but I want you to notice that this shape is formed with lines, 6 lines joined together, forming a polygon. Is it not? I told you to have nothing to fear. Let me explain further. Thank you.
In this question, we are asked to find the value of s in the diagram, but you must know the key. The key is the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, total all the exterior angles, as you can see on the screen, and equate everything to 360 degrees. You will collect like terms, add up, and you will have x to be equal to 350 degrees divided by 10. And you have your value of s as 35 degrees. Is it not? Okay.
Can't you see how simple it can be? Do you understand it? Do you understand it? Can't you see how simple it can be? But in case you did not understand it, I want to show you another example. Are you ready? Are you ready? It's similar one. It's a similar question to the one you have seen. Look at it on the screen. Welcome to this question today. It says find the value of s in this diagram. Okay, it's a WAEC question, 2009. Now watch it. Look at this line. Look at this line. Are you seeing this line? Okay, it touches another line here. Then this second line touches the third line here. The third line touches the fourth line here. The fourth line touches the fifth line here. The fifth line touches the sixth line here. And the sixth line touches the seventh line. So we have how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have 7 lines that are used in forming a shape. And the shape we know is a polygon. Okay, so it's sure to have 7 angles, 7 interior angles, 7 exterior angles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so a 7-sided polygon. WAEC is saying find the value of s in the diagram. That's very simple. You only need the key, just one key to open this question, and you will get your answer from this. Let's go on.
Find the value of S in the diagram. Look at the diagram. Okay, now the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. Okay, so if you total all this, it should give you 360 degrees. So add all of them. You will now have 20x plus 20 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Look at it. So 20x is equal to 340 degrees. X, therefore, is equal to what you are looking at. Okay? 17 degrees. Thank you.
Okay. Do you understand this one also? If you understood these two examples that I've given to you, I want you to write your comment on this channel, on this video, and say, I understood everything. Just write it, I understood everything. Now, if you did not understand, we are ready to produce more videos to explain similar questions to you. Okay, just say, I need more explanation. Just write, I need more videos, I need more explanation. And we're going to produce more and upload. Make sure you subscribe so that each time we upload, you can be notified. Hit the notification bell so that you can make your comment, okay, so that we can reach more students, so that we can clear their confusion. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Be ready for the next lesson. Are you ready? Let's go on.